Everyone, today's topic is MS Access. MS Access is a database software. Database is a collection of interrelated data. Data is raw facts and figure. Its collection is called a database. There are two types of database: flat database and relational database. Flat database consists of single database, which consists of single table. Relational database consists of related database, in which there are various tables which are interrelated with each other. They are called relational database. DBMS, Database Management System, is a software which can be used to manage the data. All this data is being managed by a particular software. That particular software we will call it a DBMS. Those software which manages the database, those software are called DBMS, and the example is Microsoft Access. Microsoft Access is a DBMS offered by Microsoft. It is offered by Microsoft. Microsoft is a company which provides us the Microsoft Access to work on. It is a graphical user interface application. Graphical user interface, it provides us the graphical interface to work upon database, which manages data efficiently. This particular software, MS Access, manages the data very efficiently. It organizes data in the form of table and provides the facility to create relationship between them using common field. It organizes all this data in the form of table like a spreadsheet, but it is a relationship database that provides us the relation between the two tables, and we can use the relationship by using common fields between the different tables. Provides various features. Some of the features are: facilitates to break large information into small part. That means it breaks the large data into small tables. Second, data redundancy is reduced. It reduces the duplication of data. Third, facilitates data security and sharing of data. It provides the password facilitate for our better security of data. There are various objects of MS Access. First is table. They are used to store data in the form of rows and columns. That means horizontally and vertically. Second is queries. Query is a request for data from a database. Anything we will want to do in a database, we will do in the form of query. We will have to write the query to perform a task in a database. Forms provide a user interface that lets user to enter and change in the tables. Whatever work we will do in MS Access, we will do in forms. It provides a GUI, that is graphical user interface, to perform tasks in a database. Fourth one is reports, are used to display the output. The output which we will get after writing the query, that we will get in our reports. Thank you.